everyone, and welcome back to Play Doh videos. Today in our Halloween series, we are going to make a funny Halloween minion ghost. It's going to be really easy and a ton of fun, and going to look really cool and neat at the end. Are you ready? It's going to be simple. All we're going to need is some black Play Doh, some yellow Play Doh, some white Play Doh, a Play Doh knife, and a couple of matchsticks. That's it, so let's get started. Okay, first we're going to need a good amount of white Play Doh. So take some white Play Doh and press it, rub it between your two hands. Okay, roll it now between the palms of your hands, increasingly making it an egg or tube-like shape. This is going to be the body of our minion. And good. Now once you've reached that stage, you want to take your thumb underneath at the bottom and start pressing upward. Go all around the bottom edge and with your finger and thumb start flattening it out. You see how I'm doing here? What you want to do is create the semblance of a sheet. It's going to be looking like a sheet is on top of the minion. Make it very thin, and then also start putting little waves in the sheet at the bottom so it looks like it's a flowing sheet. Yeah, it shouldn't all be even and uniform. Excellent, excellent. Is yours looking a little bit like mine? The minion's body at the top and the sheet at the bottom. Excellent, well done. Okay, great. Once you have the white sheet over our minion and has nice flowing sheet at the bottom, you can just put that aside. Okay, now let's take two small pieces of black Play Doh, and for each one, just use your thumb and forefinger with both hands and just shape it. You don't need to do any major rolling, just shape it so it looks like a tiny little shoe. You see? Just like that. And you want to repeat, and the thing here is they should be about the same size and shape. Good? Okay, great. Great job. Just put it aside, we'll come back to it later. And now, moving on. And now let's take some more black Play Doh and roll this in a very thin tube, just like this. Not even your palm, use your fingers. Rolling it back and forth into a thin, long tube. And you can even just tear off the extra part. And we want to have a nice thin black Play Doh piece of string. Okay, great. Now you have a nice long piece of string. Now curve it around on itself so it's a circle just like so. And put that right dead center, smack in the middle of our ghost-like minion. You see how I've done it? Just right there. And take a little speck of black Play Doh, tiny bit, circular, and put it right in the center. Okay, great. Now, using this other black Play Doh, just roll it out into a long tube. Nice and thin. You see this is going to be longer, almost twice as long really, and thicker. And now at the end here, what we want to do is press down so it's flat. See how I've done that? You can go ahead and cut it in the middle. Take one piece now and connect it to the minion's spectacle. And wrap it around, and now also on the other side. And that is the kind of rubber thing that holds his spectacle in place. All right, good. Okay, now let's take the yellow Play Doh, and what we're going to do here is take one of the matchsticks and completely cover it with the yellow Play Doh. You see, I've just kind of stuck it in there, and now I'm rolling it back and forth with my palm And any excess you can just take off. We just need the length of the matchstick to be covered in the Play-Doh. Excellent, and repeat. We're going to do that with the second matchstick now also. Okay, same thing. You take the yellow Play-Doh and roll it with your fingers in the palm of your hand. Any excess you just pull off. And there we go. Just put them aside. Now let's take some black Play-Doh and just press down so you have this kind of flat circular shape. And use the Play-Doh knife to make 2 little cuts so that you can form 3 fingers. You see how I'm doing here? Now use your fingers and your thumb to make those distinct, so it's like a black glove. Terrific. And when your black glove is all done, we want to repeat that, so we have 2 of them. And then go ahead and push it right onto the end of the matchstick, just like so. And you want to do that with both of them. And now take the other end of the yellow matchstick and push it into the side of our minion. Nobody really knows that there's a matchstick there. They just see the yellow part, and to them, it looks like a yellow minion arm. Okay, great. Now, a nice little touch here, so should the sheet that is giving him the ghost-like appearance. So let's take a little bit of white Play-Doh, just press it between the thumb and forefinger, yeah, just press and flatten it out, and drape it over the bottom half of our yellow Play-Doh, so that the shoulder portion of our minion looks like it's covered in white sheet also. You see how I've done that? Just a little touch there, but it makes it look much more realistic. And repeat on the other side, same thing. Okay, and now we're almost done. Final touches here. Let's take the last 2 pieces of black Play-Doh and put them underneath the folds in the front of his sheet so that they come out like feet. Just like so. You see how? Like feet sticking out from underneath the sheet. Wow, that was terrific! And what a great Halloween figure this is. It's a minion who's scared and scary at the same time. He looks fantastic. I hope you had as much fun as I did in making him. It was a lot of fun and really easy, and you might even want to make 2 or 3 of them. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Play-Doh videos.
Triangle. Circle. Square. Heart. Hello, children. Let's learn the colors. Orange. Orange. Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Brown. Brown. Black. Black. Violet. Violet. Green. Green. Pink. Pink.
Orange. Green. Red. Green. Orange. Brown. Yellow. Pink.
Hello, children. Let's learn the colors. Purple. Purple. Blue. Blue. Indigo. Indigo. Green. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Red. Red. Violet. Violet. Indigo. Indigo. Blue. Blue. Green. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Orange. Orange. Red. Red. V-I-B-G-Y-O-R V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. These are the colors of the rainbow. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. V-I-B-G-Y-O-R. 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 These are the colors of the rainbow. Hello, children. Let's learn the colors. Violet, violet, indigo, indigo, blue, blue, green, green, yellow, Yellow. Orange. Orange. Red. Red.
Golden.
How do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? We are the finger family. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Mommy
Blue.
finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? We are the finger family. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am.
Bronze.
How do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? We are the finger family. Daddy finger, where are
Black.
you? Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? We are the finger family. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where
Sky
are
blue.
you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? We are the finger family. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where
Purple.
are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? We are the finger family. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger,
Golden.
where are you? Here I am, how do you
Blue.
do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am,
Bronze.
how do you do? Baby finger,
Black.
where are you? Here I am,
Sky
how
blue.
do you do?
Purple.
We are the finger family.
Orange. Orange. Indigo. Indigo. Pink. Pink. Green. Green. Brown. Brown. Blue. Blue. Purple. Purple.